Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you different ways on how to make paper airplanes. Step one, you're just going to want to fold it in half. Doesn't have to be perfect. You got to fold the wings. Then you're going to want to come to the side. You're going to want to pick up this part, pick up that part, and it's going to make like kind of a jet style. You're going to do the same on the other side. And then you're going to do that one more time. Then you're gonna wanna fold it across. You're probably gonna wanna have to hit that down, bend down to make the wing. Same on this side. It's not gonna come out perfect every time, but it still flies. And then after that, you're gonna wanna fold this tip in and kind of make it like so it's a square at the top. Then we're gonna test it. Paper airplane going now. It might not win you competitions, but it's a decent paper airplane if you just wanna show your friends. Bye.